Okay, now in this project we run the same CRT, black and white, 5.5 inch, but this time we run it with RISC-V or RISC-V processor, which is this module, ESP32. It's well known. I don't know if you can see it from here. The ESP32. We make a ladder as usual of resistors to get the volts that it's suitable for the composite, and we connect the GPIO switches for the settings, a mode and up and down. So, and here is the screen. Actually is not flickering as it seems in that video, but because the recording from the old TVs is always like that, unless you make it very dark. So anyway, it is working. As you can see, the analog clock up is getting used. Let's adjust this a little bit down. You can see it close. And using the switches there, I will let you know how to adjust maybe the minutes. Maybe now it's 28, maybe I'll make it 26, 27, 26, 25, 24. You can see it. Now make it 17, 16. Okay. Now it's 10, 11. Let's return it back to 27 again. Just I'm doing like this switch. This vertical flickering that's happening during the settings, it's because the CRT is a little bit old, so it shifted even the photo a little bit to the up, but it should be filling the whole area of the screen. So that's it, another successful one. ESP32, by the way, doesn't have any floating point. We have to make a fixed point to make this sine and cosine to get our hands on a clock like this. Analog clock, normally it cannot work, but only with tables or with equation. This time this one is working with a software FBU. We make it there. It's all bare metal assembly directly on this chip. We're talking now the language of RISC-V assembly code. That's all. Thank you very much.